Okay, I'm going to show you how to find this VFD on the ladder diagram. So here we go. Disconnect DS1 PB over here through FB1 through these fuses, and FB10 VFD1. So customer supply DSO1, that's this. That's the disconnect PB01. Here's the block. This is going to branch out and hit these fuses. Here's these fuses right here, FB10, FB10, VFD10, VFD10, and that's running this motor. This compressor right here, compressor 1, is running off VFD01 and FB01. These fuses, FB01, FB1, these fuses at VFD1, and that is